Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be discussing about constructor injection in Spring. It is a type of dependency injection. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Now, what is constructor injection? In this type of dependency injection, dependencies are injected via the constructor of a class. So, when Spring creates an instance of the class, it passes the required dependencies as arguments to the constructor. The most important feature of constructor injection is no partial injection, which means it ensures that an object is in a valid state from the moment it's created. In short, it clearly showcases the required dependencies for the bean. So let's move to the implementation part. DI, constructor injection. Now start by creating an interface. Right click on the package and click on new interface. Enter a name. Let's say we give food service and click on finish. Add a get food method with string return type. Now let's create a class. Right click on the package and click on new class. Enter a name. Let's say we give food factory. Add food service interface and click on finish. Suppose it returns a string. All types of dishes are available here. Go to food interface and add a method get daily food with string return type. Now we need to fix classes Indian food and Italian food. Open Indian food class, add unimplemented method and return a string idli sambar. Open Italian food class, add unimplemented method and return a string Manchurian. Also, in Italian food class, add a dependency field food service. Then add a parameterized constructor to set value of food service field. Now, to use the constructor injection, return hard-coded string Manchurian to food service dot get food. Now, Italian food class has a dependency on food factory class. So, to make this work, open application context.xml. To add constructor injection, under bean tag, add constructor arg tag with ref as food service. Now, we need to define the ref bean as well. Add another bean tag with id as food service and class as com.mistechhack.springdemo.foodfactory and save the file. Now, create a new app class. Right click on the package and click on new class. Enter a name. Let's say we give Spring App Constructor Injection. Check public static void main and click on finish. To avoid rewriting, let's copy the code from previous app class. Replace getDish method with getDailyFood method. Let's run the application and check. You can see it prints all types of dishes are available here. That's how dependencies are injected using constructor injection with the help of Spring configuration file. So we have seen what is constructor injection and how it works in Spring Framework. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.